In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it and tap on the bottom left corner to mute the music. After that, select Consent. Sometimes you have to do that the other way around. Now to operate Magic Fluid settings, click on the top left corner and operate all of those however you want to. Then when you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set a Safe Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!